Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for July 16, 2020. Today, the market it go nowhere. They stay in the range for the whole day. After they be able to take over the resistance line, they try to climb back up. They couldn't get out of the resistance up here, so they stay between the support and resistance here. So the market didn't want to come down. So basically, today is the worst day of a coronavirus case happened in U.S. So the market is still try to figure out a way where they go. But overall, as long as they still hold up here, the market is still find a momentum to break out sooner or later. As you can see here, the whole day since the market open, the market go nowhere. They stick in the rainbow, so they try to chase the bear and then try to kill the bull. So that's why it's very choppy day. And today is a very tough day for day trader if they don't know what to do. It's very difficult for them to make money, and if you look at the shorter time frame, like this morning in our live trading room, we already specify the buy zone and sell zone. So the market open, they slam down, they slam up, they keep jumping back and forward here. So today you have to be in and out very quickly and take a quick profit. And if you really want to trade, they do give you some room, but you have to be quick and nimble in order to make money. So you can see here in the 5 minute chart, the market it uh, open, they come down, they have the support, they push it back up, they come down, they go up, until the end of the day, they try to go higher, couldn't do it. So the bear come in, slam them down until after hour, and then they come back up again. So let's see tomorrow they be able to get out of the trouble zone here. So for me, I have to get out. I'm jumping, put it quick money, put it down, and put it back up and couple trade, you know, make some money and then done for the day. So today net profit is 1,639 for the top day sideways market. It's good, I think we can make some money and keep it consistent. So that so that so far that's what I have for you. So the market is still in the uptrend, so we still stay focused. As long as the market is still hold up there, they will try to build a base, and we will see it. They will continue into the direction of the trend. So let's see tomorrow what the market are going to do next. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.